Morning students, this is Ezra, your accountancy teacher. Today let us do the problem number 9 given in the page number 74. Shall we go through the sum? How the following items will appear in the final accounts of a club for the year ending March 2019. Receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Receipts to subscription 2017-18 10,000, 2018-19 50,000, 2019-20 5,000. On the whole 65,000. There are 200 members in the club, each paying an annual subscription of 400 per annum. Subscription still outstanding for the year 2017 and 18 is 2,000. My dear students, I failed to tell you one thing, that is final accounts means final accounts includes receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. In this sum they have given receipts and payments account. From that we have to prepare two accounts, that is income and expenditure account and balance sheet. What I failed to tell you is income and expenditure account is a nominal account. It is prepared to find out whether there is deficit or surplus. So this is a nominal account. See, in this sum, they have given you the number of members and the annual subscription. If it is given like this means, it will be very easy. What to do? You can easily guess the amount which can be shown in the outer column of the income side. How many members are there? 200 members are there and 400 rupees is the annual subscription. So, in that year we have to collect 80,000. Remember that this 80,000 will be shown in the outer column. Okay, I hope you have understood. In this year they have collected only 50,000 rupees. It means still we have to collect 30,000 rupees. Then how should it be shown here? In the inner column, write by subscription. How much is collected? 50,000 is collected. Instead of collecting 80,000, they have collected 50,000. What is the remaining? 30,000. And the 30,000 is the outstanding subscription. And you have to add these two, and that total amount should be shown in the outer column. You get? Again, let me tell you, if the number of members and the annual amount of subscription is given, it will be very easy. How to find out? Take the number of members and the annual amount of subscription to be collected. Multiply these two and you will get that annual amount of subscription which should be collected in that year. So 80,000 should be collected. What is given in the receipts and payments account? Only 50,000 is collected for that year. It means we have to take this 50,000. And how much should be collected? From 80,000, subtract the amount collected. Still this is remaining. That is the outstanding amount and both should be added and it should be shown in the outer column. See, this outstanding should be amount is an asset for the club. So, when you go for preparing the balance sheet, you have to show that outstanding subscription. How much? 30,000. But in the sum, they have given, what is given? Subscription still outstanding for the year 2017 is 2,000. Outstanding subscription for 2017 is 2,000. Still it is outstanding. So, 32,000 is the amount of subscription to be collected and that is the asset. And here you have to write the date 31st March 2019. 2019. See, in the problem, in the receipts and payments account, they have given for the year 2019-20, they have collected 5,000. it becomes a liability. So it should be shown here. How to show? Subscription received in as advance, received in advance is 5,000. It is a liability, so it is shown in the liability side. Here you should not make any line like that. You have to keep like this. Because we have to do something here. After that we have to do that. So you should not make any line there. Remember, again, let me tell you, if the number of members is given and the amount of subscription to be collected is given, it will be very, very easy. You can guess the amount which should be shown in the outer column. Take the number of members and multiply the number of members with the annual subscription. 200 members, annual subscription is 400. On the whole, 80,000 should be collected. So you have to assume that 80,000 will be shown in the outer column of that income subscription. From 80,000, the amount collected is 50,000. So still we have to collect 30,000. This is shown in this way. Amount collected, add that outstanding, and the total amount should be shown here. Outstanding subscription is an asset for the club. So outstanding subscription is 30,000. Remember, in the sum, still subscription meant for that 2017 is there. So we add these two and show it in the outer column as outstanding subscription. It is an asset. And at the same time, in the receipts and payments account, you can see that for the year 2019-2020, we have collected 5,000 rupees. It becomes a liability. So it is shown in the liability side. How do we show? Subscription received in advance 5,000. So these two makes the final account, and I have shown it, and I hope you have understood this. Shall we go to the next sum? Shall we analyze the next sum? Problem 10, which is given in the page number 75. Shall we go to the sum? How will the following items appear in the final accounts of a club for the year ended 31st March 2017? 31st March 2017. Received subscription of rupees 40,000 during the year 16 and 17. It means that is the accounting period. This includes subscription of 5,000 for 2015-16 and 3,000 for the year 2017-18. Subscription of rupees 1,000 is still outstanding for the year 16-17. Now, we are asked to prepare final accounts. They have given you the receipts and payments account. Now we have to prepare that income and expenditure and balance sheet. See, first take the subscription amount collected. What is the amount received? 40,000. I have told you several times, the amount meant for that year alone should be shown in the outer column. This amount includes amount for the year 2015-16. 2015-16. This includes subscription of 5,000 for 15-16. Subtract that 5,000. And then next one. And rupees 3,000 for the year 17-18. Subtract that also. 2017-18. What is that amount? 3,000. And go through the sum. Subscription of rupees 1,000 is still outstanding for the year 2016-17. Still outstanding. Outstanding. This is meant for 2016-17. What is that amount? 1,000. And this is the amount which should be shown in the outer column. Now, this outstanding is an asset that should be shown in the assets side. How? Outstanding subscription. How much is it? 1,000. Here they have collected for 2017-18 3,000. It is the subscription collected in advance, received in advance. This is received in advance. So that is a liability and it is shown as subscription received in advance. What is that amount? 3,000. That 3,000 is shown here. And we have shown it again. Let me tell you. The amount meant for the particular year alone should be shown in the outer column. They have collected 40,000 rupees and this amount is meant for the previous year. That should be subtracted. We have subtracted and we have got 35,000. This amount is meant for the next year. That is also subtracted and the remaining amount is shown here, 32,000. Still, for this year, an amount of rupees 1,000 is to be collected. That is added and it is shown in the outer column. This outstanding subscription is an asset, so it is shown in the asset side. This amount is received in advance, so it is a liability. So it is shown in the liability side. How did it show? Subscription received in advance 3,000. This is the way we have to show. We have shown it. Hope you have understood. Shall we go to the next sum? Let us go to the next sum, problem 11, given in the page number 74. Compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to a club. See, they have given particulars 1/1/2018, 31/12/2018. Outstanding subscription, subscription received in advance. And you are asked to find out the subscription amount which should be shown in the outer column. See. My dear students, this is very important sum. This seems to be simple, but it is not simple. You have to think twice before making a conclusion. See, outstanding subscription, it is the opening, it is given in the opening, given as a opening balance. It means this outstanding amount is meant for 2017. This is meant for 2017 and this is meant for 2018. You have to remember this. And subscription received in advance, it means this is meant for 2018. For 2018, we have received 4,000 rupees well in advance and this is for the year 2019. Say, outstanding subscription, it means for 2017 they have to collect 3,000 rupees but they did not collect. That is amount here and this amount is meant for 2017. Still in this year on 31st December 2018 5,000 is outstanding, means this amount is to be collected. That is meant for 2018. When this amount is received in advance means certainly it will be meant for 2018. So within bracket you have to write and this is received in advance means this amount must be received earlier and that amount is meant for the year 2019. You have to understand this very clearly. Again and again go through it and try to understand it. And if you understand this means it would be very easy for the calculation because you have understood the thing. What do we do here? We take the amount, from that amount the previous year amount will be subtracted and the next year amount will be subtracted. For this amount, for this year's amount, if it is paid earlier, that will be added. If this year's amount is still outstanding, that will also be added. We have to subtract two things. Previous year's amount should be subtracted. Next year's amount should be subtracted. Two things should be added. Outstanding amount should be added. For this year, if any amount is paid earlier, that should be added. First, let us subtract the amounts by subscription. How much is collected? 45,000. I have told you that previous year amount should be subtracted, meant for 2017. That should be collected. This amount is to be collected, 3,000. Subtracted. And this amount received in advance, this should be subtracted. Add outstanding. What is outstanding? 5,000. Then plus paid in received in advance. $4,000. What you have to remember is, what you have to be very careful is the year. This is outstanding on first one 2018 means it is meant for 2017. This is outstanding on 31st December 2018 is this amount is meant for 2018. This is received in advance. Advance means we have collected earlier. So this amount is meant for 2018 and this amount is meant for 2019. And when you are able to understand this means calculation of this is very easy. You can easily calculate. What do? We take the amount from that amount. Previous year's amount should be subtracted. Next year's amount should be subtracted. And this year's outstanding amount should be added. Along with that, if amount is paid for is collected earlier means that should also be added and the total amount should be shown in the outer column. Hope you have understood. My dear students, we have given you my number. If you have any doubt means you can call me over the phone. There should not be any personal questions and there should not be any general questions. If you have any doubt means call me on the set. I am always ready to explain, but call me before 9:30 p.m. By the grace of God, let us meet in the next class. Thank you.